Hello friends, welcome to Stock Trading Tutor channel. I used to make tutorial video based on stock markets. Friends, if you want to open a Demat account, you can just give a missed call on 9606046814, or else you can just visit to my description box below. I have provided a link. You can just click on that link and open a Demat account. So friend, today in this video we are going to discuss about the last session of the market and taxation. Here this is the ninth B part. In this part I've just decided to make a quick FAQ for the returns of income queries. So most of my subscribers have been called me for these questions, and so I decided to make a video on this. So these are the few questions which will clear your mind about the return of income filing. So friends, the first question is how to file the return of income electronically. Income tax department has established an independent portal for e-filing of a return of income. You can log on to www.incometaxindia.efiling.gov.in. For e-filing the return of income, check this very nice video on email e-filing put by the IT departments. So the second question is it necessary to attach the documents along with the return of a income? Yes, in case of this, ITR return forms are attachment less forms, and hence along with the ITR form, you are not required to attach any documents like proof of investment, TDS certificates, and unless if you fall under the audit case. So, however, this document should be retained by you and should be produced before the tax authorities when demanded in situations like assessment, inquiries, scrutiny, etc. So, but in the audit case, soft copy of the balance sheet or profit and loss and any note along with the audit reports need to be attached. So the third question is here is what is the difference between e-payment and e-filing? E-payment is the process of electronic payment of the tax by net banking, or you can say the debit card or credit card. E-filing is the process of electronically furnishing your, you can say, filing of the return of an income. Using the e-payment and e-filing facilities, payment of the tax and the furnishing of the return is quick and easy and hassle-free. So friends, here the fourth question is it necessary to file return of income when I do not have any positive income? So if you have sustained a loss in the financial year which you propose to carry forward to the subsequent year for the adjustment against the subsequent year positive income, you must make a claim of a loss by filing your return before the due date. So friends, here the one more question: what are the due date for filing returns of the income or loss? So generally it is mentioned in the website itself in the front page. So if you can see here, if no audit, July 31st is the last date, and if audits, if you are having comes under the audit, so it is the September 30th is the last date. So friends, here the another question here is what is the what is to be mentioned as the nature of business on the ITR 3 until 2017 it was an ITR 4. Now it is converted to the ITR 3. The nature of business can be mentioned as a trading others. It comes under the code 0204 until 2017. So friends, I am talking about the year 2017 and 18. For the latest updates, you can just visit to the as I given you the website in the description box also. You can just visit and just check the latest codes. So for financial year 2017 and 18, the code is 13010, financial intermediation investment activities, and this seems to be closest category to investment of a trading related activities. So friends, here the another question is if I fail to furnish my return within the due date, and will I be fined or penalized? Yes, if you have not furnished the returns within the due date, you will have to pay an interest on a tax due, and if you return is not refiled up to the end of the assessment year, in addition to interest, a penalty of rupees 5,000 shall be you have to pay under the section of 27(1)(f). So friends, how to show profit and loss balance sheet? It's very simple. You can just show all the positive turnovers as a gross receipts and negative turnovers as a gross sales. So friends, here the last question is, can return be filed after the due date? Yes, you can return the file after the prescribed due date, as called as belated return. And if you one could not file the return of an income on or before the prescribed due date, then he can file a belated return. A belated return can be filed within a period of 1 year from the end of the financial year or before completion of the assessment. So whichever is earlier, a belated return attracts the interest and penalty as discussed in the previous FAQs. For example, in case of income return earned during the financial year 2013-14, the belated returns can be filed up to 31st of March 2016. However, if the return is filed after 31st March 2016, penalty under section 271F can be levied. So friends, as usual, at the end of the all chapters, I used to give a key takeaways from the chapter. So in this chapter, you can note this point is very important for you. The act of paying our tax is called tax payment, which can be done via e-payment. The act of communicating different sources of income and tax paid against the is called income tax returning file. So filing income tax return is mandatory even though you have paid taxes. An ITR form should be used to file taxes. Use different ITRs for different source of income. ITR 4S for presumptive business like income, and use this to lower your cash outflow, or you can say paying taxes versus audit fees. For watching this video, and if you're having any queries, you can give a missed call on the 9606046 816. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like and share.